Hello, hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Today I'm going to talk about supplement.
Nature Bounty apple cider vinegar. It helps to reduce weight loss, and this really help to weight loss and also help for digest.
This is absolutely amazing. It really helped me for my weight loss journey. This tablet for adults, you can take 3 times, and you can take 2 tablets each time, and you should take this before you take a meal, like before you take breakfast, take lunch, and before dinner. You have to eat healthy food and have a regular workout regimen. Definitely I will recommend to take this apple cider vinegar. You can get this apple cider vinegar from any Duane Reade, Rite Aid, Walmart, everywhere.
Before, I used to feel like more appetite, like everything, like I feel much hungry. But after I take this, I feel less hungry. It really feel me like my stomach is full. So whenever I go to eat, and I could eat like less food. That's the way I lost my some of weight.
I'm telling you guys about apple cider vinegar. Although I'm not a physician or doctor, but I'm telling you guys from my own experience. After I take this, I take my meal and I'm feeling like I'm full. I can't eat too much.
No, I like the tablet one because I don't like to drink the liquid one. I find out like liquid one is very like not good taste. So whenever I take this, I don't feel anything. I just take it and drink it. I usually take in the morning time. I take one in the morning and that's it, because I don't want to take too much, because it detox my body.
While you take apple cider vinegar tablet or capsule, make sure you take with a lot of water.
The apple cider vinegar, these are the tablets. They're white and powdery. So for adults, you should take 2 tablets 1 to 3 times daily, preferably with meals. Each serving size is 2 tablets. There's 100 servings in the container, so 200 pills. Other ingredients are dicalcium phosphate, cellulose, Cros carmeliose, contains less than 2% of silica, vegetable magnesium stearate, and vegetable stearic acid.
If you are pregnant, you should ask your doctor before you take this. Otherwise, I think the tablet is not a problem.
If you think my video was helpful to you, then please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Eat healthy and have a regular workout regimen. If you are struggling with your weight, then definitely you can try this one. Maybe this also will work for you. Weight loss. This really good for digestion and weight loss. I really got benefited after I take this. I lost a lot of my weight
and still I'm continuing this one.
So I will recommend this apple cider vinegar for those who does not like to take liquid one. So I'm sure they're not gonna have any problem with these pills, and it will really helpful for them.